So I not have no TikTok page, I not have no fans, I not have nothing again. Remember, I never have Instagram.
Yeah.
Boy, my mother take me and say, man, I say, alright, F TikTok. So they want to treat me. Remember, I know 20 videos a day, every day. I have all of them. I have all of them videos there on my phone at the time.
Oh, see them
at the time.
Yeah.
And that helped me. Even right now, you can look. Even right now, you can look. The video them, me have videos. Me not delete my videos them.
Yeah.
Me not delete my videos.
So here what I do. Straight to your phone when you're done upload it.
Yeah, so here what I do now. YouTube. I say, alright. Brother. My post till YouTube tell me I can't post no more.
Oh, they blood.
I first me ever say that. YouTube them say, oh, it's your limit. You cannot post anything more.
Damn.
Yeah, man. No views me not get. I say, you know, I'm not care. I'm there for my work still. Every day I'm going, I say, I post. Every time them tell me, say, you can't post no more. Because remember, brother, me have thousands of videos,
yeah, man.
You know?
Yes, man.
Me have post, you know, brother. Brother, I'm post for like 2 months straight, brother. Nothing not happen. I say, about, me not reach 1,000 followers yet. Can't get paid nothing for YouTube. I'm say, I nah stop. I continue for the 3rd month. Brother, I see a video start. Get 100,000 views. I say, blood clot. Reload it. 200,000 views. No, sir.
Bomba.
The end of the day, 5 million.
Damn.
Trust clot.
Damn.
Wake up in the morning, 10 million.
Woo.
You see it?
Damn.
The highest views I have on any social media, YouTube, 31 million.
Damn.
That me I tell. And you see when that video they get 31 million views, everything else
start getting
get millions of.
Yeah, man, it's like a domino effect now.
Brother,
everything dropping at the algorithm.
I saw me feel good about myself. I say TikTok, you can't hold me down. But
that is it.
But look into myself again, me I say, TikTok feel like them own me. You know what me I gotta do? F TikTok. Me I go back on it.
Word.
Brother, I saw me know say people rate me and like what me I do. Some people say me cringe, some people say my content easy, but people actually like it.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you this.
I go back on TikTok. Same video them. A matter of fact, I never post back the same video them. Because I remember reaction me I do.
Yeah.
I find some new thing and start reaction from 0. In one day I reach 20K. In less than, yes.
People them that wait for you.
20K.
Them that wait for you.
I'm say, bomba.
Yeah.
20K, brother. When we just start TikTok, 20K, we couldn't get 20K so far.
The hardest thing.
Yeah.
That goes to show you what is cringe to somebody else is funny as F to somebody else.
Brother, in less than a year, 500,000 or 700,000 I get on TikTok back.
Yeah.
And then I said to myself, so wait, people, them, you know what? Me I make another channel.
That is
then
it.
take this one here down, me I have another one. And then we make another channel.
Dog, say, you can't catch me. You catch me already, you can't catch me again.
So, I say, brother, I'm going to make another channel and I see him thing. I say, wait, people them love me. Love when me I do.
They do, bro.
So, brother, I'm going to make another channel again.
Hold on there. How much TikTok you have, brother?
Brother, I'm going to make another one again.
Yeah.
And I see him thing, me I get views, me I say, blood clip. Me say, so now, my chest high. I say, Instagram me I go and now. Because it's the last I started. Bro, I haven't been doing Instagram, like, my post on it, like the first couple months, me did post, but then it wasn't getting no views.
Okay.
But brother, after all of this, my chest get high. Me I say, which one of them idiot Instagram people can chat to me? Me have 300,000 on YouTube. Me have how much TikTok page. Them people can chat to me, me I post. Me no business where them say, but I build a new page. Me no use the page where I have. I say, I don't even want a friend from nobody from the old Instagram page to come on this.
Yeah.
I don't want them.
Fresh.
And new people more. And brother, me will tell you, say, boom, I go viral. I say, I never even know you couldn't get 1 million views on Instagram. And a man like me, where I do reaction video where them I say, oh, the boy cringe, I content that this and no nothing.
Can't
brother, in no time, my damn Instagram move up fast. I couldn't believe it. I get even
you have something.
Right now, today's day, when you can go check my Instagram, I get more views on Instagram than me get it on any other platform. Ooh. And after I do that, you guess what I say? I say, yo, my chest high, I go start on Facebook too. You don't know me there on Facebook.
Dog, they're on every platform.
Everything. Some go there on Facebook too and go viral on Facebook too.
That is it.
And
Yo,
that
people still underestimate. Yo, Facebook is a different animal. Me I tell you this right now. Instagram bad, TikTok bad, but it's a once you drop in a Facebook algorithm, we're talking about hundreds of millions and them something there. No little joke, you know.
Trust me, brother.
My first video, one of my first video in my early stage, me get 25 million. It was a reaction video of one man I put in fake dreads. I'm there, bro.
So you have your dreads before coming? No,
you cut them off like the year before. You see me? Yeah, we did have locks and them thing, man. But bro, when it did drop in at the Facebook algorithm, bro, I'm look, I'm say, no man, Facebook is a different animal, bro. Yeah. Different, you know. So you see, you create multiple TikToks and you go across various platforms, which is smart.
Yes, sir.
You have to do them things. They have to depend on everything. So
my thing is, brother, don't watch people.
No.
You see, if I start Instagram when I start everything else, right now I probably have 2 million followers on Instagram.
Maybe.
Easy.
Maybe.
Brother, me I tell you.
And if you continue upon the same journey, you might reach that area.
Even though, even the videos that I get 30 million on YouTube, I'm gonna repost them on Instagram. You know?
Oh, you don't?
No.
What make?
Because I just feel like...
You dog feel like the shit. I don't need it, man. Fuck.
Yeah, see,
when you get the millions, that's you. Fuck all of the other platform, man.
Of course. After a while, I feel like the shit. Cause me, I say, yo, some people always laugh at me like, bro, they can't talk to me.
Yeah.
Like, yes, me understand. I'm humble at the same time too, but it's just because lots of people, like me used to see comments, bro, you're not Jamaican, you're this, you're that. Man. What kind of content that? People used to hate on me for no reason.
People full of shit, brother. Trust me.
You know what I mean?
People full of shit. And you can't follow the negativity, bro. Because some of my most popular video, them people say, yeah, I'm cringe and this and that. I might bust a big skettle laugh. And you might see in the comments, one and two people say, no, that laugh, they're cringy. But majority of the comments, them, no, dog, this bad.
Yeah, true,
so you can't watch haters.
So when me used to do... Even now, I'm not reply to really comments, because I get a lot of comments. Sometimes me see one and two and me try to reply to it. People might feel like I'm full of myself or I feel like I'm big. No, it's just, I get a lot of comments. A lot, even now, I get a lot of comments. But I realize that comments and what people have to say, sometimes it will ruin your passion of doing things or ruin.
True.
You know what I mean? Yes, you will see good comments, but you're gonna see bad comments.
Facts.
You're gonna see bad comments.
We don't know if for human nature, bro, but we tend to see we have a plethora, like a big buffet full of good comments, and you will see the one little hatred comment.
Yeah. But sorry again. Me have to talk. Me used to use the hate comment them for make content again, which
motivate
me say, brother, motivate me. Cause I'm like, after a while, me I say, yeah man, one of them say something bad.
Yes, I.
Cause I reply to them. They used to say me only wear one shirt. Cause the Jamaican shirt me I wear. And just so you know, the reason why I wear that Jamaican shirt there is because me I talk patois and my content is not just for Jamaicans.
True.
When them see the Jamaican shirt, you must know where I'm from. And me have one shirt where say Jamaica. So when you hear me, I say, to blood clot, what the blood clot this? You know, I go say, yo, what the hell is this guy talking? You already see say a Jamaica, because you have the Jamaica shirt. So that's why I'm always, and that's my thing where I just continuously wearing my Jamaican shirt. And they used to say, I want Jamaican, I want clothes me have.
People, brother.
I'm just make video and show them. Say, brother, look on my closet. Look on shit what me have.
Yeah.
Look on shit what me have.
Sometimes you have to stunt.
Brother, sometimes you have to do it. Because some people, bright, brother. You know what I mean? One shirt, one this, But me a stunt, and at the same time, me a do it in a jokify way. Because obviously, the people them are only bring me a same way. Me not go on like say, yo, me a go try for this. But, you know, and I get to realize that a lot of people, they say bad things because they want you to react to it. They want your attention.
You want to know something I realize? A lot of these people, they put hate comments just for grab your attention, as you say.
Yes.
And when you respond to them say, no, bro, me never know the response. Yo, me's a big fan. Big up yourself.
Yes.
I've experienced that so many times.
And when you look at it, them a follow you and all of them.
You see me? Like them want to grab your attention, but them don't know how to get it.
Yeah.
So with
Alright,
them
me
know
see-
say hatred I want to go reach off at them go resort to that.
Me see Drake do a thing already. One man comment something bad on him post. And Drake go up on the man post and find him girl. And comment to him girl, like message him girl. But do a thing like that already.
Yeah.
Yeah. The man comment bad upon me. And me I say, alright, no problem. We go find him,
Nah,
him.
get
We
dark.
go find the woman dog, like up her picture and comment and thing.
Yeah.
And she like her picture. Cause obviously, I mean, when you have lots of followers, people look at you as
True.
like, you know, it's like a status thing. Like,
True.
yo, wow, he has a lot of followers. You know what I mean? I'ma do that. And then afterwards, the man I gonna say, yo, bro, I like your stuff, bro. I was just joking, bro. Like
Your girl was gonna get got, nigga.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So
Dark start quiver.
yeah, bro. So I just saw it. That's how it started. And I tell people, say, yo, no give up.
Yeah.
You don't want to do something, just do it.
Nah, man.
You
Just do
see?
it, bro. And
Come
don't. This way, dog say. You get a whole heap of hate comments. Yeah, no, you
Whole
really
heap,
hard.
brother.
You have one
Whole heap,
shirt.
brother.
You
Yeah.
cringe.
Brother, if you Google me,
The dog never stop. Him just
Never
move from
stop.
platform to platform, and I saw him move across
Yes.
platform. I saw the thing grow even bigger. Who the fuck would I think, bro? 30 odd million on YouTube is no joke, you know, bro.
Alright, this song.
Yes. See the party, see the. I need a fat girl tonight for the party.
This episode was sponsored by Saka Saka. Unleash your inner beast.